Once upon a time, in a playroom filled with toys, lived a very messy bear named Barnaby.
Zzz.
Oh dear, what a mess!
Lily said, looking around the room. She knew it was tidy time.
Okay, let's get cleaning!
Lily exclaimed, ready to begin the tidy time adventure.
Tidy up, put your things away. Tidy up, let's make the room look great today.
She sang a tidy up song.
Huh? What's all the noise?
Barnaby said, rubbing his eyes.
Wow. Lily's making the room look so nice.
He said, watching Lily's progress. He noticed a pile of puzzle pieces.
Maybe I can help too.
He offered.
That's great, Barnaby. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Lily said, smiling.
Tidy up, put your things away. Tidy up, let's make the room look great today.
They sang, working together to tidy the room. Finally, the playroom was spotless.
Wow, Barnaby, we did it.
Lily exclaimed.
It feels so good to have a clean space.
Barnaby said. They learned that cleaning up can be fun when you do it together, and they lived happily ever after in their tidy and fun playroom. The end.
I didn't know cleaning could be this fun.
Barnaby giggled, feeling proud of his efforts.
It's always more fun when you have help, Barnaby.
Lily agreed with a smile.
What should we do next?
Barnaby asked, full of wonder.
Maybe we can plan a picnic in the garden?
Lily suggested, her eyes sparkling.
That sounds like a perfect plan.
Barnaby and Lily beamed with excitement for their new adventure.
Look at the lovely flowers.
Lily said, pointing to the blooming garden.
It's beautiful out here.
He exclaimed, taking in the view. They set up their picnic, excited to spend the afternoon in the garden.
These sandwiches are delicious.
Lily said, relishing the taste.
And the cookies are amazing.
Barnaby added, savoring the treat. Together, they enjoyed their scrumptious picnic, laughing and sharing stories.
This is the best day ever.
Lily sighed contentedly.
I hope we can do this more often.
Barnaby said, feeling a sense of happiness. And so, Lily and Barnaby made the most of their lovely clean day, cherishing each joyful moment.
What a wonderful day filled with laughter and fun.
Agreed. I'm so glad we spent it together.
They said, watching the setting sun, cherishing the moment.
You know, Lily, cleaning up doesn't always mean losing things.
That's right, Barnaby. Sometimes it brings things together even more.
They pondered over the day's lesson, smiling at each other.
I think it's time to rest and dream about our next adventure.
I can't wait. Adventure dreams are the best dreams.
They agreed as they packed up their picnic gear. The garden whispered a good night as Lily and Scott. Barnaby headed back home, leaving behind footprints and memories. Barnaby, today was just wonderful. It really was. I never knew tidying up could lead to such a fun day. They both smiled, recalling their playful adventures. And now, a good night's sleep in our clean room. Sweet dreams, Barnaby. Lily whispered as she tucked Barnaby under a soft blanket. As the lights dimmed, they knew tomorrow held new adventures waiting. The morning light peeked into the playroom, where everything was ready for a new day of play. Ah, good morning, world. What a wonderful day for new adventures. Look, Barnaby, the sun is shining so brightly today. Yes, Lily, let's grab our things and make today just as amazing as yesterday. With their hearts full of joy and eyes filled with wonder, Lily and Barnaby set off for another day's escapade. Barnaby, look at those stars up there. They're like tiny adventure maps waiting for us. Maybe tomorrow we can chase them and discover new worlds. Lily and Barnaby sat together, dreaming of endless adventures. Lily, let's promise to always explore and find joy in our everyday adventures. Yes, Barnaby, together we'll make every day special. They whispered their promises, knowing their friendship made every adventure better. Remember our picnic plan for tomorrow? How could I forget? It's going to be even more fun with lemon cake. Their minds buzzed with anticipation, eager for tomorrow's delights. Here's to more adventures, Barnaby, and more cake. The garden echoed with laughter and happiness. Every day is an adventure with you, Barnaby. Always, Lily. Now and forever. Together, they embraced the moment, feeling the bonds of true friendship. Lily, do you think we'll ever run out of places to explore together? Never, Barnaby. The world is full of magic, and we've only just begun. They ventured further, knowing they had each other for every step. Left or right, Barnaby? Let's flip a coin. Heads left, Tails, right? They flipped a coin, ready to follow wherever adventure led. They spent the afternoon chasing butterflies under a sky painted with dreams. Look, Barnaby, the butterfly landed right on my hand. That's amazing, Lily. You must be the butterfly whisperer. They shared a giggle, treasuring the small wonders of their day. It's beautiful how the day ends, just to begin again. Every sunset is a promise of a new dawn, Barnaby. Together, they watched the sun melt into the horizon, their hearts full for tomorrow.